Today we're going to assemble the assembly of the Forrest Model 648 jacketing shear. The Model 648 and 636 jacketing shears basically go together the same way, just that the 648, like this, has a 4-foot wide work surface, or is size for cutting 4-foot material, and the 636 is size for cutting 36-inch material. David here is going to help me out with the assembly. These things come from the factory mounted on a wooden skid or pallet with a rectangular or a skeletal enclosure. We've already taken it off the enclosure. Typically you just bust the wood off the exterior. It'll be bolted down through holes at the corners here and tabs. It'll be bolted down to the skid. So you have to back those bolts off, lift it off, put it on the floor to assemble it. For assembly steps, we're going to start. I'll tell you the steps and we'll do it. We're going to start by reversing the blade handle. We have it tucked in for shipping, otherwise it sticks way out here and makes your crate just another foot wider. Then let's see, we wanted to put the guard on next. We'll put the guard on next. We'll put the spring post up, attach the spring, and be working. Safety note here, this thing can be dangerous. The blade here is very sharp. I do not suggest ever raising the blade unless it has the guard on. We'll make one exception to that when we will block it up with a bit of wood to assemble the handle. So we'll start there. I'll raise it up. David here, stick a piece of wood in there just to... Okay, so the handle here is held on 3 bolts. Want to get those slackened out? Handle stowed, and then to actually use it. Drop bolts. Okay. So you'll probably get tired of hearing me say this, but the blade is dangerous. You'll notice David is keeping his hands well clear from between the blades as he does this. Now we can raise it up, take out the wood, put that back down. So next up, the guard. Guard mounts 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. We'll pick it up, lay it in position. Get yours first. You're on camera. You're about to be a YouTube star.
Me?
Yep, you. I'll get you.
3 on the table. 2 of them have your name on it. How you doing?
We're doing good.
Good. Thank you.
I'll let you know where to see the video. You're on YouTube. Okay, so the guard's up. The basic idea here is I'm not going to say it's impossible to get your hand under here, but from the backside here, I can't get my fingers under here. And if I reach really far under there, it's hard. But the idea is keep your fingers out from between the blades. Don't raise the blade without the guard. One special case, block it with wood for the handle. So I guess next up is the spring post. The blade is heavy, you don't want to be lifting it all the time. So, spring post, series of holes at top are for hooking the high end of the spring. 2 holes go low, mounting on the bracket. Got the hardware. Okay, last step. The blade is heavy. You wouldn't want to have to raise and lower it all day manually, so give you a little spring assist. David, if you would raise the blade up. Have a series of holes in the blade. Usually just start off with the middle one. Ow. Ow. There we go. Okay, it's a very strong spring, but it's a very strong spring. Now, set your roll of metal here on these rollers, feed it under the blade, make your cut. That's the Model 648 jacketing shear assembly. Thank you.